Now we're going to analyze to answer the questions of the video case building sustainability at the Orlando Magic's MUA Center. The first request was to find a LED certified building in your area and compare its features to those of the MUA Center.
So the majority of us found the architecture building of our school, which is Tec de Querétaro, Tec de Monterrey, Campus Querétaro. And it has similar features. They both use natural sources such as solar electricity and water to generate, solar electricity and water to generate electricity. They are both focused on recycling and those type of activities. But we found out that actually the LED building that we have here has a higher score than the Amway Center. What else do they have here?
Well, the building in our campus has a platinum score,
certification.
That it's an 84 points. The MUA Center has a gold certification with 39 points, and we took this data from the U.S. Green Building Council, which is the organization that certifies this type of buildings.
A really interesting difference that we found is that the Amway Center was certified for having efficient AC systems, while the Tech building has been certified by don't having AC systems. So what they do is they use this window system that allows for the air to come in, so they don't have to use AC. So that gave them a really high score. And as well, on top of the building, you can find some huge things that are used for producing electricity with wind. So that's eolic electricity, and that also gained a whole lot of score to the building.
Well, and the last question.
No, the next question is why did the Orlando Magic decide to go green in its new building?
Well, Amway saw the need of having an arena with eco-friendly with the ecosystem of Orlando. So they decided to go green due to this, and also because they wanted to be more competitive, and there's no arenas in the United States. Eco-friendly, just the Amway, and that gives added a value to their building.
And they also found out that a lot of their clients weren't using the venue anymore because they weren't providing all the services or facilities that other venues were. So, for example, in things like space, sound, or such things, competitors were best. So they figured out if they did something with the same features but with added value that was being eco-friendly, they would be first in class.
Okay. Well, the last question, we're going to explain how a Go Green strategy supports a competitive advantage in manufacturing and service organization. We think that going green gave a competitive advantage to all the companies and organizations.
Not only because it helps the environment, but also because it goes it gains advantages for some segment market. Nowadays it's very important for you to care about what you do with the environment and the resources, how you use them, because it's not a secret that we're running out of them. So being green sets a really high brand image to companies.
And also it is very important to mention that their costs were reduced in a very important with a very important impact, and this makes revenues and profits to go higher, and Therefore, the companies are much more competitive, and well, this is much better for them.
Well, that's it. Oh, that's it, and that's all of our analysis. We are Team 37.
Bye.
Bye.